We are going to do the ant eye view for the given plan and elevation. Here the plan is a square, so the same plan we have to draw it at 45 degrees because it is a square and 2-point perspective it looks good. If it is a rectangle, 60-30 is better. So draw the plan at 45, mark A, B, C and D for identification. Once the marking is done, we need to draw a straight line touching A. It becomes our picture plane. Once the picture plane is done, we need to go for spectator point, which is also known as station point. So we need to see whether the total plan is falling under 60 degrees, which is cone of vision. So the total plan is falling in 60 degrees from SP, wherever we are planning to locate. So that is correct. Once that is done, draw a parallel line from DC from SP to the picture plane. It touches at P1. Repeat the same thing from the other side. Parallel to CB from SP, draw a line. It touches picture plane at P2. So P1, P2 we got. Next, we need to fix the GL or ground line where we want to take all the heights from. So draw the GL and then drop line from P1 onto GL, P2 onto GL. So this will help in finding vanishing point 1 and 2. Here from GL, since we want ant's eye view, the height is given as 6 units. So I will take the point or vanishing point eye level nearer to the ground. So I am taking 1 unit from GL as the eye level. That becomes our vanishing point 1, which on P1. So that straight to that we have vanishing point 2 on right hand side. So that is again 1 unit from GL. Once that is done, we should drop a straight line from A to GL or ground line. So from A to GL or ground line. Now we should plot points D and B. For that we need to project line from vanishing point 1 passing through A. That becomes our A dash. Same thing, repeat from the right hand side or vanishing point 2. So we need to draw a line passing through the A dash. Need to draw a line to touch vanishing point 2. So we got two sides, two lines from vanishing point and 1. To find D, from SP draw a line through D. It should touch the picture plane. Repeat the same thing on the other side, that is draw a line through B onto PP. It is touching there. So we got 2 points. This as the small b and this will be small d. Next we have to drop D and B onto the lines which have already drawn from A dash. We drop from D, it is touching here. Repeat the same from B also, it is touching here. So that is over. Now we got the D and B dash intersect. See, from vanishing point 1, from D, draw a line from that point, draw a line. Now we'll repeat the same thing from the vanishing point 2 also. From B, draw a line. So these two lines will intersect at a point, this one, that becomes C. So we got the plan in 2-point perspective and side view. Very thin plan we got. Now we'll write as A dash, P dash and C dash and D dash. We complete our plan in 2-point perspective and side view plan. Okay. The next thing is we need to give the heights. Before that, I will draw a line from C to mark the height. A and C will fall in the same line because the plan is square and it is placed at 45 degrees. So, A and C will fall in the same line. To get the height, we need to project C and B dash onto GL wherever it is touching the GL. So, these two are touching the C and B dash, touching the GL at this point. So, there is the point. We draw a straight line so that we can mark the height from GL. It is given as 6 units. So, I am marking 6 units from GL. So, mark 6 units from GL. After that, we have to project. This is the HTL or height line, 6 units as per the given elevation. So, the 6 units over. Now, from the vanishing point 2, we need to project a line to touch C and B. Draw a line from C to the vanishing point 2, it is touching C here and B here. Once that is over, we will repeat the same thing on the left hand side, that is vanishing point 1 from C. So, it touches D. So, we got B, C and D. Now, we will draw A, which is hidden, it is behind, not visible, but we will draw connecting from that side, and again from B to the vanishing point 1, we will get point A, which is hidden on the other side. So, we got which is there on the other side. Now, we have to darken the view by using a thicker pen. Draw verticals first, C now and B. So, vertical lines are over. Now, from vanishing point 1, the top I will project, I will darken this D and C, the bottom also D dash, C dash. Then, from the vanishing point 2, I will repeat the same C and B, top and the bottom C dash, B dash to complete the view. This completes the view as per the given plan and elevation. At here, I want to do the hidden lines also. We need to use a thinner pen and use dashed lines. We will use dashed lines, not continuous lines, because they are hidden edges and they are behind. So, this way we can, bottom also will do the same for the base, hidden lines, yeah, both the sides, finishing point 2. So, this completes the view as per the given plan and elevation. Thank you.